Okay, so what is the question? Sky below. If you read the question here in the book, sky below is this ratio is given 3:5. Blue is 3 parts and white is 5 parts. You know, this is given to you. Up to here, I will show you by the arrow. This one, this part is given to you, right? You can see it. This part is given to you, and the other part is given to you. This one. These two things are given to you. Okay, if you read the question carefully, write each ratio in the form 1:n. 1:n means we need, please stop raising hand. Okay, what we will do, uh, the first number here, you have a 3 here. We need the first number as 1. What we want, write in the chat box. What we want here, where I showed the arrow, what we want, write in the chat box. 1. Why we want 1 here also. Okay, how to get 1 here? If you divide this by the same number, if you divide this by same number, you will get 1 here. If you are dividing first number by 3, so does you have to divide 5 by 3. So what number you will get here? 1.6666, like that. Okay, so the second part, how to get 4 here? How to get 4 here? How to get 4 here? How to get 1 here from 4? You divide by the same number to get 1 here. Okay, so if you divide 7 by 4, you get 1.75. Okay, so the first part is done. What was our first part? Write each ratio in 1:n form. What was first question? We will write as 1:n, like that. First part should be 1 and second n can be the some number. Okay, it can be like 1.66, it can be 1.755. Okay, now the second part, which shade of blue paint is darker? Here I wrote sky blue is more darker. Can anybody tell me the reason? Anyone tells me the reason why sky blue is more darker? Some of you, any one of you, raise hand and I will allow you to speak here. So Umar Gaidan, he raised hand first. So you can speak now. Go on the top, Umar. There is a mic. Click that. Open your mic. Then you can speak. Okay, now I will allow you. You can speak now. Why did we get here? Sky blue is more darker. Can you explain it? Any one of you? Fuad, you cannot. Okay. Think. Look here. Any one of you? I think someone did wrong with your class, because in other classes, anyone can speak. Because your class is noisy, therefore it is stopped. They closed it. This is a problem. Anyways, no problem. Now you can write in the message. Write in the message this one. Why sky blue is more darker? No, I can't do it. I can't do. No need to raise hand. Just write in the message. Why sky blue is more darker? Very simple reason. No one can answer. If no one can answer, okay, say no. You cannot answer. Right here. I will explain. Okay. First question. I'm doing question number 1. B part. Okay, listen my words carefully now again, because yesterday I explained to the other class this lesson, so we wasted time in opening this one. Okay, stop writing messages and listen to me now. Look here, if you read the question, this question was given. Blue was three parts in sky blue, and white was five parts. Which is more here, white or blue here in sky blue? What is more? Okay, sky blue, white is more here. Okay, look here, blue four parts here, and for white seven parts. Okay, if you look here, why we are dividing here, why we divided here by three, why we divided here by four? To make one both, to make one both. If you make one both, these are both, then it will be easier to compare. Okay, listen, if you are getting one here, you are getting one here, the first part blue is one, and here in C blue is one. Okay, both parts are same. Now you can compare easily this 1.6 and 1.75. Okay, okay, 1.75. Look here, 1.75 is more white here. 1.75 is greater than 1.6. It means in C blue more white, white is more. In C blue white is more. In sky blue white is less. So what will be more darker below? What will be more darker? Where you have less quantity of white, that will be more darker. Is that clear? That is what I am explaining. Again. I am explaining again. See, here you got the answer, because why we are making one here to compare the compare the ratios. Here we are making one to compare the ratio. Now the both first parts are same, second parts you will compare this part by this part. Okay, so you know that 1.75 is white and 1.6 is white here. So 1.75 is more white here in C blue. Where you have more white, that will be less darker. Where it means here you have more blue here. Okay, it means, do you understand here? Where you will have less white, that will be more darker. The same question is there. Is that clear now? Yes, Zed. Shall we go for next question? Clear or no? Right. It is clear. It should be clear, because the same question is there in the example. If you see, okay. There is more white here in sky blue. There is more white in sky blue. In sea blue, more white. Okay. Therefore, sky blue will be more darker. Yes, Dad. What's the problem? Write in the message. Yeah, B. Okay, what is the right answer? I'm not saying that sky blue is 1.75. You are not understanding the question actually. I know sky blue is, look here, actually sky blue is more darker because 1.75 is more white in sea blue. Okay, even you can write in, you reverse the direction, you can make like that. Okay, look here, this one. Okay, look here. You can make like that, no problem. 1.6 is less than 1.75. Okay, 1.6 is less than. So 1.6 is here. You know, 1.6 is less white here. Here is less white. Here is more white. Look here. Here is more white. In C below, here you have more white. Okay. Okay, Zed. You have more white here. And here you have less white. Clear now? Okay. Thank you. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is same like that. See. Angelica mixes a fruit drink using mango juice and orange juice in the ratio 2:5. Look here. For Angelica, the ratio is given, mango ratio orange is given, 2:5 is given. Okay. For Shani, ratio is given 5:11. Okay. So we have same type of question. We need the first part 1 here in both. How to get 1? If you divide by 2. So you divide by 2, it will be 1. Divide by 2, you will get 2.5. Same here. To get 1 here, so you divide by 5, it will be 1. Divide 11 by 5, you will get 2.2. Now the question was, this is first part is done here up to here. When you are getting 1 here in the first part, here 1 and here 1. Okay. So this is done. Now B. Whose fruit drink has higher proportion of orange juice? Here you are here. First question was little bit different. This question here straight away you can write which has more proportion of orange. Which has more proportion? Tell me. This one for Angelica. Write in the message box. Which has more proportion of orange? Here orange is 2.5. Here 2.2. So whose fruit drink has a higher proportion of orange juice? Angelica. So you can write this answer. Is that clear now? Shall we go for next? Respond. Okay, thank you. Okay. So you will start understanding. Don't worry. Next time I will try to explain you live, like on a board. Okay. Right now I don't have a board here, so I think it is much easier for you. You can copy them. You can copy your work here. I'm mentioning here what is the question number, page number, exercise. Nothing to ask. Okay. Question number is here. So answers are here. So you can copy them. Okay. It will be much easier for you. Okay, now second, next page. Go for next page. Check your internet. Alien. So is that clear? What happened? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? So voice is okay. Okay. So question number 3. In a SEALs swimming club, there are 2 clubs. Okay, if you read this question carefully. In SEALs swimming club, there are 13 girls and 18 boys. So what is the ratio between girls and boys? 13:18. So this for SEALs swimming club. Again, the question is same. Write the ratio in this form. Okay, 1:n. He's saying that write your answer as like that. Okay, like this. 1:n. So we need first part as 1. So how to get 1? By dividing 13. So get 1 here. So 18, 1.38. You divide 13, you will get this. You can use calculator. In second part, in the Shar swimming club, there are 17 girls and 23 boys. Again, so does here. same. You will get 1 here. Okay. I think it is clear. Same questions coming up now. Okay. So now he's asking then, uh, which swimming club has higher proportion of boys? Which club has higher proportion? Tell me, the first one or second one? Seal swimming club or shark swimming club? Seals. Good. So seal swimming club has more proportion of boys here. Seals. This one. Okay. 138 is greater than this one. Okay. 135. Therefore, we are making the first part same 1. Why we are making 1 here? This is very important question. Why we are making 1 here? To compare. Why we are making 1 here? Tell me, tell me. Why we are making 1 here? To compare. Yes, this is the answer. To compare. The name of the lesson is comparing the ratios. Okay, this is what. Here, question number 4. Now you will answer it. Question 4, you will answer it. Here, when Marco makes a cake, he uses sultanas and cherries in the ratio 5:2. Okay, now you tell me, Marco used 80 grams of cherries. How to get here 80? Tell me. Which number you multiply 2? Which number you multiply 2 to get 40 here? To get 80 here? Tell me. Tell me. Quickly. We have 1 minute only. Write in the message box. Yes. Where are you? Hello. 40. So how to get, why we will, which number you will multiply here to get 4? Tell me, 80 here. By 40. By 40. Right here in this one, where the arrow shows, write in this box 40. Okay. What number you will write here? Tell me. 40. In the box, 40. No, I'm wrong. 40. Write 40. Okay. 40. Why 40 to make here 80? Okay. Let me show you here. What is the answer now? Tell me. Make here 40. 40. Okay. And why 40 to get here 80? So cherries will be 80. So cherries will be 80. How much sultanas? Tell me. Multiply 40 by 5. How much? How much here in the second blank? 40 multiply 5. Who is here? 800. Okay. 40 multiply 5 is 200. Yeah. So 200 here. So mass of sultanas is how much? Tell me. What is the mass of sultana? It will be 200 gram. Okay. So this is the answer here. So your period is done. So I think it was quite easy. Why writing 96? Why Kareem Khalid? Be serious. Your video is recorded here. So we have all of your record. Did you understand? Respond in the chat box. It means you are participating. Respond. Yes, good. Very good. Okay, thank you. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.